Hi, my name is Moana or Anna from the Philippines. Sa ngayon, pag-usapan natin kung anong tips para makapag-asawa or magka-boyfriend ng foreigner. Okay, number one, simple lang. So, siguro, magpunta lang kayo kung maka-afford kayo kahit once in a while, magpunta kayo sa mga place like touristic places. Mas maganda kung ikaw lang mag-isa na pupunta sa mga touristic places. Let's say, magpunta ka ng Siquijor, let's say, punta ka ng mga Boracay, or punta ka ng mga lugar na kaya mo, tapos feel mo na maraming turista. Tapos, kung pwede, ikaw lang mag-isa. Kasi, hindi sila mahihiyang mag-approach sa iyo kung ikaw lang mag-isa. Kasi yung utak nila, kung may kasama ka, sasabihin nila na, maybe they have to be with each other, or I can disturb them, or we don't know. Maybe they will say, even it's a woman, sasabihin nilang, ay, baka magjowa tong dalawa. 'Di ba? So, that's number one. Kung pwede, ikaw lang yung mag-isang gagala. Number two, have confidence. Mag-smile ka. Hindi yung parang pag may lalaki o pag may foreigner na dumaan sa'yo, parang hindi ka nakasmile. So, gusto nila yung yung babae na welcoming. Hindi naman yung nagpapapansin ka, pero at least naman, nag-smile ka lang. Or kahit simple lang, good morning, how are you, like that. Simple lang. Tapos, yun, hindi naman yan kachipan, like saying polite lang. Kahit saan man sila makita, like let's say sa elevator, sa table, sa breakfast table, ganon. And, yun, do not put a heavy makeup. Yung simple lang. Hindi talaga yung grabe talaga. Tapos, yes, be conversational. Yung nakipag-kausap ka sa kanila, yung tipong, at least may nalalaman ka. Hindi yung, okay, yes, I don't know. Parang ganon. Dapat, yun, mag-study ka din. Dapat may nalalaman ka din. A little bit of history, a little bit of physics, mathematics, and history about their places. Halimbawa, kung sasabihin nila na, yes, I'm from America, tapos ikaw, may call center experience ka, tapos sasabihin mo, okay, you know what, before, I'm working in Amazon, and you know what, I know where is, what is this, like, where is, let's say, California. That's it. So, parang ganun ba? Parang i-connect mo lang sila. And, what else? Yeah, kailangan ka makipag-friendly, pero, once na, of course, hindi natin alam. Totoo na yun na, halimbawa, pag nagkita na kayo, tapos they're intimate with you, then sex is involved. And that's true. Like, 90% of it is true. Kasi, they're very open-minded, pero no worries naman. Hindi naman sila yung lalaki na, papaanakan ka talaga. Magpo-protection naman yan. For the safety of yours, like, for your safety, tapos sa kanyang safety din. And, yun lang siguro. Kasi, on the next topic, sasabihin ko sa inyo kung may jowa na kayo or may asawa na kayo na foreigner, yun, anong gagawin nyo para magtagal kayo? Alright? So yes, bawal silosa kasi ayaw nila yun. Alright? Anyway, stick to one naman sila pag gusto nila talaga yung babae. Okay? So, yun lang sa ngayon. Alright? So, thank you. Please do like, share, and subscribe for my next video. Okay? Tapos, supportaan niyo po. Please support. Thank you.